MCT oil is a very interesting substance. I mean, it's really not found in hardly any oils like the oils we eat every day, most people eat every day, olive oil, soybean oil, corn oil, not found in any of those, not even in fish oil, but it is, very rich in coconut oil. And when you consume MCT oil, your liver takes that up directly. It goes directly from your intestine to your liver, very different than other fats. And it immediately starts to be converted to ketones. And the ketones can be easily taken up by the brain, and they enter the same chemical pathway as glucose to make the energy molecule ATP. So almost every cell in your body requires ATP to carry out its functions. So ketones are a great alternative fuel for the brain, and it mild cognitive impairment and even healthy aging. There's about a 7% gap between how much energy your brain needs and how much it actually gets. And Dr. Stephen Cunnane in Canada has been able to show with his ketone PET scans that MCT oil actually does increase the amount of energy in the brain. It fills in that brain energy gap. And he has looked at 2 tablespoons a day, 3 tablespoons a day of MCT oil, and shown, the more you take, the better that is. But the MCTs themselves, some of it is not converted to ketones, and they're released into your bloodstream. They circulate. They're used immediately as fuel by your muscles. They can be used by your heart, other organs, but they can also be used by the brain directly as fuel. So MCT in 2 ways, directly and by way of making ketones, can provide fuel to the brain. And, your brain needs fuel to carry out all of its functions, control how you walk and talk, and your memory, all of those things that we do every day, constantly, without really thinking about it. Literally, our brain's thinking about it, but we don't have to.